Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I'm about to do, I guess, a post-it holder calendar thing. And I'm going to be using some 7x5 acrylic photo frames. I got these at Dollar Tree. I started out with the 4x6s. But for this project, the 5x7s work better. I bought these calendars at Dollar Tree, and I was so happy to see that they had this month on here, as well as the post-it note. So, and as you see, they're right here. I've already cut those out, but this is what I did with these. Took them out the pack, and I actually just, like this one, it has a little piece of cardboard at the back or chipboard. I just tore it off like this. Just being careful to not rip it too much. And that's just to give it a little stability. Of course, you can always put some more on the back if you need to. But I didn't see the need to do that. So that's that part. And this one, let's see what we got. This one has the same thing as well, and let me see if I can remove it just as easily as I removed that one. There we go. So that's all I did for those. There we go. So now we have the calendar and the post-it note away from the original board. Now, I did not have, or I could not find any in my stash, any paper to match this, like really pretty cute paper. So I just backed it with some green that's about the same color as in the post-it note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some double-sided stick tape. Where did I put it? And then you know it's up here looking in my face, laughing at me, saying, aha, she can't see me. There it is. So I'm going to take some double-sided stick tape. And this is the first time I'm trying this, by the way, so hopefully this will work. Take some double-sided stick tape. And I actually think this is the other one. This ain't the one I tore off. It's not. But you know what? I just leave it because this one I actually cut it out as opposed to tearing it off. So I'm just gonna put this tape on here like so. Let me see, I thought I had a, there they are, just some empty gift cards that I have up here. And I'm just putting this on both sides like so. There we go. And gonna do the same thing with the month. And please forgive the noise. I know one of my subbies, she loves the noise. So girl, that's for you, okay? That's all for you. So, okay, we got this going here. And I'm gonna actually work upside down. And I have to clean this again. I'm gonna have to work just so you guys can see. Let me see if I got something that'll hold this. Maybe that'll chill. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna release these. I'm gonna take this backing off here, and I'm gonna have to be really careful with this because it's actually a very tight squeeze. Okay. So let me see. Let me do it this way. It's gonna sit this way. Okay. I'm gonna put this almost to the edge. the top and the side. There we go. So far that's looking pretty decent. And this is the month. I think it's about 4 or 5, like January is 4 or 5, February is like this, because this is a pretty thick stack. I don't know what they're doing. They just, that one that you hear crying, he's a drama king, big time. And I'm gonna put this one, try to line it up with that one here. There we go. Okay. So far it's looking like that. And I wanted some stickers. I had some stickers with some cute butterflies and stuff. And of course I cannot find them. But one thing I made a long time ago, maybe 2 years ago, was this thing. And I was trying to make embellishments using a punch that I had, and it's been layered, and I used some paper, and I put what's it, diamond dust or something like, not diamond dust. It's some type of glitter that I put on this paper, and wish, and some trim and some flowers, and yeah, stamens. So I'm thinking maybe if I put that like that, maybe that would be cute. But the thing about it is I don't want to put it there right now for real, because like I said, I had some cute little flower stickers. Let me see if I can find my flower stickers. Well, I found some stickers, but to me they don't go with this.
What?
I found these, but these are like kitty, and to me I don't know if they would go well with this. Let's take one out just to see. And I'm not gonna take it off the paper. I'm just gonna cut the paper. Cut it on the paper. Let's see. Okay. It's okay. And I may eventually use these on another one, because I think this is the only one that's like this. The rest of them probably can be used with something like this. And I actually wanted to use some bling that I've had in my stash forever, but it's actually too long. So I'm just gonna use this little thing. I'm gonna put this on here, and I'm just gonna use just a little dab of glue, because I don't want it to stay. I might try to find where I can get something else that maybe fit right there, because I really do not want to have to go and make more of these. There we go. So this is just a little bit of hot glue to hold that in place. And where's the pen? I altered a pen for it. Oh my goodness, here it is. Terrell, be quiet please. And here's the pen. And I just used I tore off one sheet of this to put it in here. And this is a Dollar Tree pen. So I don't know how I'm going to, it may be stay like that, who knows. But this is it right here. I think I'm going to do these $6 maybe, or $5 maybe. I don't know, $6 or 2 for 10. I think that may work. Now this I may go down on to maybe 4 at the least. Something along that lines. But we'll see. If you guys have any suggestions on how much I should charge for this one, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. Alright guys, that's it. I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.